Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the realm of storytelling with the help of AI. Today, we have an exciting treat for you. We'll create a captivating story of a princess of Hannah using a step-by-step guide with the power of AI tools, ChatGPT and Pictory.ai. Let's begin this enchanting journey. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. You can find it at chat.openai.com. If you don't already have an account, sign up for free using your Google account. Step 2. Now that we're logged in, let's craft our story prompt. Type, "Create a story of a princess of Hannah," in the chat window and press enter. Step 3. With our story prompt ready, it's time to add some magic. Open a new tab and visit Pictory.ai. Sign up for free using your Google account if you haven't already. Step 4. Once you are in the Pictory.ai dashboard, choose the required settings that suit your storytelling style. Step 5. Now, let's bring our story to life. Copy the title and story content from ChatGPT. Paste them into the writing block in Pictory.ai, and click on Proceed. Step 6. Here comes the fun part. Choose a template that suits your princess tale. Pictory.ai offers a variety of captivating options, so pick the one that best brings out the magic of Hannah's kingdom. Now that we have the template, let's make our princess's story truly unique. Customize the design and dimensions of your video, making it a true masterpiece. With the combined power of ChatGPT and Pictory.ai, we've created a captivating story of a princess of Hannah that will enchant audiences far and wide. Remember, storytelling with AI is a delightful experience, but it's the spark of human creativity that truly makes a tale magical. Use AI tools responsibly and enjoy weaving your own wondrous stories. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in the world of storytelling with AI. Until next time, happy storytelling.
Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Hannah, there lived a young princess named Isabella. She was a kind and gentle soul, beloved by her people for her compassion and wisdom beyond her years. Princess Isabella had an insatiable thirst for knowledge, and she spent her days exploring the vast royal library, devouring books on history, philosophy, and the arcane arts. As she grew older, Isabella's parents, King Alexander and Queen Sophia, realized that their daughter possessed a unique gift. She had a natural affinity for nature and animals. The princess could communicate with creatures of all kinds, from the tiniest insects to the grandest beasts of the wild. This rare ability only deepened her bond with her kingdom's citizens, both human and animal alike. One fateful day, as the sun set over the horizon, an ancient prophecy was discovered within the archives of the royal library. It spoke of a princess of Hannah who possessed the power to unite all the magical beings scattered throughout the land. She would be the one to bring harmony and balance to the realm, ensuring a peaceful coexistence between humans and enchanted creatures. Intrigued by the prophecy, Princess Isabella embarked on a quest to fulfill her destiny. Guided by a mysterious old seer named Elowin, she ventured into the mystical depths of the enchanted forest, a place where few dared to tread. Along the way, she encountered challenges and dangers, testing her courage and resilience. Yet, her bond with the creatures of the forest, from the noblest unicorns to the mischievous fairies, proved to be invaluable.